Let's register. Visit Japan Web together. Here's what you'll need for registration: your flight ticket, your passport, just the information, not the physical passport, an email address. Then, go to the official Visit Japan Web website and select your preferred language. Step 1. Sign up for a new account. Click the button, Sign up for a new account. Tick both checkboxes and click Next. On the next screen, enter your email address. Create a password and confirm it by typing it again. Make sure your password is at least 10 characters long and includes 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, numbers, symbols. Next, tick the I am human box. A small window will appear with a simple image verification puzzle. Follow the instructions and click Verify. Then, click the Create Account button. On the next screen, you'll be asked to enter a confirmation code sent to your email. Open your inbox, find the message from Visit Japan Web, copy the code, and paste it into the field. Click Check. You'll see a message, Account creation completed. Click Go to Login screen. At the Login screen, enter your email and password. Click Login. You may see a screen asking about multi-factor authentication. You can choose No and click Next. Step 2. Register your information. You'll see 3 options. Ignore the one that says Information after entering Japan. Focus on the other 2. Register user information, register planned entry, return. Click on your details. Page 1/5. Personal information. First question. Do you have a Japanese passport? Choose No. Second question. Are you entering Japan with a special re-entry permit? This question is mainly for foreign residents of Japan. If you have a valid residence card, choose Yes. If you do not have a valid residence card, choose No. For example, if you only have a tourist visa, sticker, or e-visa, a COE, certificate of eligibility, whether it's for a student, dependent, working, or any other visa type, please choose No. Third question only appears if you answered No above. It asks about tax-free procedures. You can change this later. For now, choose No. Then click Next. Page 2/5. Passport information. You'll now need to enter your passport details. If you're using a smartphone or tablet, you can choose Scan with Camera. Click Next, then Next again. Please wait until a message appears asking for permission to access your camera. Then, choose Allow and take a picture of your passport page within the red frame. Make sure you're in a well-lit area for the photo. If the scan is successful, your information will be filled in automatically. You just need to double-check everything is correct. If you cannot take a photo or you're using a desktop, choose Enter information yourself. Then manually input the following details: passport number, surname, and given name, nationality, date of birth, passport expiration date, In the Basic Information section, select your occupation and fill in your country and city of residence. This will make the next step faster and easier to complete. Then click Next to move to the final step. Page 5 of 5. Just review all your information one last time and hit the Register button to complete your user registration. A message saying Registration Complete will pop up. Click on Check whether or not you need to apply for a visa. If you choose Yes to the second question, the visa check screen will not appear. On the Check Visa Details page, you can choose either Yes or No. It's just a reminder to check your visa requirements. Then, click Back to Home to continue. If you have family members traveling with you, click on this button, then choose Add, and repeat the same registration steps, Step 2, for each family member. Step 3. Register your planned entry but return. Click on the blue button labeled Planned Entry but Return, then select Proceed to Registration without copying details, and click Next. First, name your trip with any word that helps you remember the trip. Then, check your ticket and select the exact arrival date in Japan, not the departure date from your home country. Next, choose your airline name and input the flight number, numbers only. For example, for JL751, just type 751. Then, enter some characters and choose your point of embarkation from the list. After that, click Next. If you're taking connecting flights, only input the final flight that lands in Japan. For example, if you're flying from Myanmar to Japan with a layover in Thailand, just enter the flight from Thailand to Japan. Now you'll need to enter your address in Japan. If you have a postal code, enter it and click Enter automatically using postal code to fill the address faster. This is optional. I'll show an example address in the video for reference. Please also enter something in the hotel name/place of stay field. It's not required right now, but it will be mandatory in a future step. You can enter the phone number of your hotel, school, or company in Japan, or your personal phone number in your home country. Once done, click Next. If you have family members traveling with you on the next screen, you can select or deselect them. Then, click Confirm Entered Details. After that, review all the information again and click Register Plan to complete. A message saying Registered Planned Entry Done Return will pop up. Click Back to Home to continue. Now, you've completed the above 1 and 2. From here, it's time to do the Step 4, Immigration and Customs Registration. Click on your trip. It's the one with a flight icon. On the Japan Entry Return Procedure screen, you can ignore Link Visa and Quarantine. What you need to focus on are Applicant Immigration Clearance Customs Declaration. You will see a red text that says, Not registered. Click on this button to begin. Then, click Next. There are 16 pages in total. Now, you are on page 1 of 16. Most of your information will be automatically filled in. Just review it, then click Next. On page 2 of 16, check again and click Next. On page 3 of 16, choose your purpose of visit to Japan. If you're holding a visa labeled Temporary Visitor, you can choose tourism, business, or visiting relatives. If you're entering Japan for study, work, or long-term stay over 90 days, like staying with your spouse, please choose Others. Then, a new section will appear called Specific Purpose for Visit. Please type exactly what is written on your visa or COE. For example, student, dependent, engineer, etc. Important: do not use special characters here, just plain text. Next, enter your intended duration of stay. You can check this info on your visa or COE. On page 4 of 16, you'll be asked a series of questions. Please answer carefully because this page is very important. If your native language isn't available, you can use the translation feature in your web browser to help fill out the form. On page 5 of 16, we move on to Customs Declaration. At this step, you can choose whether to declare on behalf of your accompanying family members. If you're traveling with your actual family, like a spouse or child, and you know what's inside their luggage, it's safe and recommended to choose Yes. If you choose No, you'll have to declare for them separately later. From page 6 to page 12, you'll be asked questions about prohibited or restricted items. Read each question carefully in your native language, if it's available via the browser translation tool. You'll see topics like gold and cash over 1 million yen duty-free allowances for alcohol, perfume, cigarettes, prohibited or dangerous items. Answer each question honestly. If you answer no to all, you'll go directly to page 13. Then review everything again on page 16. On page 16, check the box that says the above entry is true and correct, and click Register to complete your declaration. If you're traveling with family, go to the Applicant section, select their name, and repeat the customs declaration for them too. Once everything is done, you'll see blue text that says Registered. Click Display QR Code, then click Agree and Display, and your QR code will appear. Screenshot it or save it as a photo on your phone. If you're traveling with others, click the drop-down arrow, select their names, and download their individual QR codes as well. Each person will have their own QR code, and it will be used for both immigration and customs. Now you're all set. Have a smooth arrival in Japan and enjoy your trip. Want to know what happens after landing in Japan? Check out my other videos for the latest updates on Japan's new one-stop kiosks and a full walkthrough of what to expect at the airport step by step.